Enjoy the fresh feeling of a clean mouth and pleasant breath with the help of MasterMedi 100% stainless steel tongue scraper. This pack of 2 smooth stainless steel tongue scrapers also includes storage cases, making it easy to leave one at home and bring one on the go. Only brushing, flossing, and mouthwash simply aren't enough. Our tongues also hold bacteria, which causes bad breath and sometimes a white layer on the tongue. The ergonomic U-shaped design makes perfect hygiene easy to achieve. To use, rinse the tongue scraper with warm water. Simply place the tongue scraper to the back of your tongue and drag it all the way across, about 5 to 8 times using the 2 non-synthetic handles. This gentle tool will pull away plaque and bacteria, leaving you feeling instantly refreshed with a clean tongue and improved taste. Improve your health, hygiene, and confidence with MasterMedi's stainless steel tongue scraper.